Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term "sue." So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, "sue" is a casual way to say "see you," often meaning goodbye or later. People use it when they want to quickly end a conversation or say farewell informally. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Sue first showed up in early 2000s text messaging and internet chats. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and digital natives. Now let's check out how to use Sue in a sentence. Correct example 1. I gotta go now, Sue. Catch you later at the party. Correct example 2. All right, see you tomorrow, Sue. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Sue at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Sue right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Sue means a casual goodbye or see you. It started in early text messaging, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Sue in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.